Hi, paring Joe. Binabati ka namin ang kumari mo ng maligayang kaarawan. Parang kailan lang, naservisyo tayo ngayon. Retirado na, tatanda na natin. Again, pare, happy birthday. God bless you.
Happy birthday, pare. Wish ko sa'yo, bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng kalakasan, kalusugan ng katawan, mahabang buhay, at marami pang blessing. Happy birthday,
Happy birthday, pare.
God bless.
God bless.
Happy 75th birthday, Lolo Rich. We hope you have many years of
joy,
Joy.
abundance, prosperity, and a full belly.
and more years to come.
Yes.
We love you.
We love you. Happy
birthday.
Happy birthday, Lola Botbot! We're walking. Sige, go! Go! Tita Bibot, happy birthday, happy 75th birthday. Wish ko, sana mas lalo ka pang lumakas, hindi ka nagkakasakit. You know how much I love you. You're like a dad to me. I love you so much. Enjoy your day.
No, happy birthday. 75 na pala. Parang ano pa lang, parang 60s ka pa lang. Happy birthday. And sana maging masaya ka sa araw ito.
Love you.
We love you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Mwah. God bless.
Happy 75th birthday to you, Kuya Bot. Wishing you good health and more happiness in life. Always remember that we love you and take care all the time. And God bless you. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Tito Bibot.
Happy birthday, Bibot.
Happy birthday,
Bibot. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tito Bibot.
Kuya Bebot, happy birthday po. Sana maraming birthday ang darating sa inyo. Lagi pong mag-ingat. God bless po from Jay and Jean, AJ, CJ and Jaina. God bless. Bye-bye. Happy birthday ulit.
Hi Kuya Bibot, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Sana masaya ka sa birthday mo. Sigurado naman magiging masaya ka dahil may surprise birthday ka. Sana lahat ng mahal mo sa buhay nandiyan dyan kasama mo. Good health. Hindi na dapat yung wealth kasi marami ka na niyan. Diba? Baka naman.
Happy birthday po to you, Bibot. Wish you all the best and good health po parati. Salamat po.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Kuya Bibot. Wishing you good health, more happiness. Sana umaba pa ang buhay mo. Makasama ka namin. Mahal na mahal ka namin. At maraming salamat. Happy birthday uli.
Happy birthday, Chabibot. Ikaw yung kamukha ni Papa. Kaya tuwing nakikita ka namin, parang nakikita namin na andyan yung Papa lang namin. Happy birthday at good health and God bless po.
Hello, Kuya Bot. Bago ang lahat, bago ang komento, babati muna ako sa iyo ng happy birthday. Galing pa ako ng Cavite, kararating ko lang para mag-video sa iyong kaarawan. Anyway, dyan na lang tayo magkwentuhan ng masasayang mga nakaraan. Ulit, happy birthday!
Kuya Bot, happy birthday. Wish you good health. Sana hindi ka magkakasakit, alagaan mo sarili mo. Thank you dun sa mga tulong mo sa akin. Ako naiiyak ko eh. Hindi nga ako makapagsalita.
Happy blessed birthday pare. 75 years mo na ngayon. Kaya dapat masaya. Kasi napakapalad mo na binigyan ka ng mahaba at magandang buhay sa mga panahon na yon. Kaya nagpapasalamat kami sa iyo, Diyos, na binigyan ka niya ng mahabang buhay at sana'y patuloy pa niyang bigyan ng marami pang taon para patuloy na masubaybayan ang mga bata. Nagpapasalamat ako sa Diyos na ikaw yung naging balai ko kasi nakita ko talaga kung gaano kakabuti sa mga apo natin at sa mga anak natin. Sabi ko nga parati, mapalad na rin yung anak ko kasi napakababait ninyo mag-asawa sa aking anak. Kaya nagpapasalamat din ako sa Diyos na patuloy kanyang binibigyan ng kalakasan. Kaya dapat pare, parati na lang tayong masaya. Iwasan na natin yung ma-stress. Kasi yan yung wala ng ating sigla sa katawan. Kaya ano na lang, panay kasayahan na lang ang ating gawin. Pare, happy birthday ulit sa'yo. At hiling namin at dalangin na sana bigyan ka pa ng napakaraming taon para patuloy na masaya ang buhay. Happy birthday again, pare.
Happy 75th birthday, Papa Bebot. Thank you nga po pala. Kahit di nyo ko anak, tinuturing nyo rin parang isa. Hindi nga lang kasing kulit ng tatlo. Anyway, yung wish ko lang po, matikman ko yung nilutong barbecue kamakailan. Kaya lang wala talagang oras. Kaya sa susunod na lang po. Again, happy 75th birthday po. Okay, see ya. Bye.
Happy birthday, Papa Bebot! Hello, Papa Bebot. It's Nathan. I heard your birthday's coming up soon, so I wanted to wish you a happy birthday. How old are you now turning? It's been a while since we last seen each other, so I hope you are healthy and you're doing well. Hopefully sometime in the future, we can visit each other so we can spend more time with each other. Until then, I hope you stay happy and healthy. Happy birthday again, Papa.
Ready?
Yeah.
Happy birthday to you. Ciao, ciao, ciao. Happy birthday to you. Ciao, ciao, ciao. Happy birthday, dear Lolo Bibot. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Lolo. Happy birthday, Papa. Say love you.
Love you.
Happy birthday, Pa. Wishing you good health, happiness, and many more birthdays to come. Enjoy the party and celebrate this special day to the fullest. I love you and always.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Lala. Thank you for feeding me and take care of me. Thank you for everything. Everything. And may God give you good health and more blessings.
Love you, Lolo.
Love you, Lala.
Hello, Papa Bebot. Malapit na ang birthday mo. Happy birthday. Hindi ko alam kung ano sasabihin ko sa'yo. Sana
masaya ka dyan sa birthday mo. Yan. Hello, Papa Bebot. Your birthday is coming. Happy birthday to you. How old are you? Happy birthday again. I love you. Bye.